Ever wondered how some teenagers manage to rake in millions while still navigating high school? What's their secret sauce for transforming youthful dreams into hefty bank accounts? In this video, we're uncovering the fascinating journeys of teenage millionaires who cracked the code to wealth before even hitting adulthood. Get ready to be inspired by their groundbreaking stories and discover how these young moguls turned their passions into incredible fortunes. Number 10. 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭. Meet 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭, a trailblazing social entrepreneur who turned a childhood lemonade stand into a buzzing success story. At just 4 years old, 𝐃𝐨 began concocting lemonade from her great-grandmother's cherished recipe. Fueled by her parents' encouragement, she took her lemonade to local business competitions, and that's where her company, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, was born. Inspired by a childhood bee sting and her newfound passion for these crucial pollinators, 𝐃𝐨 infused her brand with a mission to protect them. Her innovation caught the eye of Shark Tank, leading to an impressive $11 million deal with Whole Foods. Today, her net worth ranges from $1 to $5 million. Her lemonade graces the shelves of Whole Foods, The Fresh Market, and H-E-B, and her empowering book, Be Fearless, is a must-read available online. Number 9. Donald Dower. Donald Dower, better known to his millions of fans as Don Lad, has become a YouTube powerhouse with his thrilling pranks and captivating vlogs. With an impressive following of 584K subscribers, Don Lad stands out as a top influencer in the digital realm. His net worth has soared to approximately $1 million, proving that his online presence isn't just for fun, it's a serious money-making machine. So, what's the secret behind his impressive income? Don Lad's financial success comes from a blend of high-profile brand deals and his YouTube earnings. Through sponsored content and the YouTube Partner Program, he generates revenue from ad views. The equation is simple: the more eyes on his videos, the more ads play, and the more cash flows in. His content doesn't just entertain, it's a thriving business model that keeps him at the forefront of social media stardom. Number 8. Bella Ramsey. Bella Ramsey, celebrated for standout roles in Game of Thrones and The Last of Us, is a true sensation in the world of entertainment. From their humble beginnings in Nottingham, England, Bella's remarkable journey started at just 4 years old, showcasing a natural talent that was impossible to ignore. The turning point in Bella's career arrived at 13 when they landed a crucial role in Game of Thrones. This breakthrough catapulted them into the limelight, leading to an impressive net worth of $2 million. Bella Ramsey's meteoric rise is a testament to their extraordinary skill and determination, marking them as a force to be reckoned with in the industry. As Bella continues to shine, audiences can eagerly anticipate even more captivating performances in the future. Number 7. McKenna Grace. McKenna Grace is a beacon of youthful achievement, captivating audiences with her early success. Born in Grapevine, Texas, McKenna's rise to fame began at the tender age of 5. Despite growing up in a family rooted in the medical field, her dreams were anything but conventional. From the moment she discovered her love for acting, she was determined to shine brightly in the entertainment world. By 2013, McKenna made her mark with a standout role on the Disney Channel, catapulting her career into the spotlight. Now, at just 17 years old, she boasts an impressive net worth of $2 million. McKenna Grace's journey is a powerful example of how unyielding passion and early ambition can turn aspirations into astounding success. Number 6. Alina Morse. From a young age, Alina Morse was already charting her course to success, transforming a simple childhood challenge into a remarkable business venture. When her father's ban on sugary treats due to dental concerns sparked her creative streak, Alina wasn't about to let a sweet tooth hold her back. Instead of resigning herself to a candy-free existence, she embarked on a mission to create her own sugar-free candies. By the time she was in 4th grade, her ingenuity bore fruit in the form of 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐞 Candy, a company now valued at a staggering $6 million. With a personal net worth of $2 million in products endorsed by dentists, Alina's journey from a candy-deprived child to a successful entrepreneur showcases how turning a problem into an opportunity can yield extraordinary results. Number 5. Charli D'Amelio. 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 D'Amelio rocketed to stardom with her electrifying dance routines and magnetic presence on TikTok, where she commands an astounding 151 million followers. Her influence reaches far beyond viral trends. She's also a key figure in the Hulu smash hit, The D'Amelio Show. 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭's financial success is nothing short of impressive, with a portfolio boasting $17.5 million earned from high-profile brand collaborations, her hit TV show, and her trendy fashion line, Social Tourist. By 2023, her net worth is projected to soar to an impressive $20 million. 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭's financial prowess lies in her strategic diversification of income streams, a tactic embraced by many seasoned millionaires. Her ability to balance multiple revenue sources is a testament to her business acumen and vision. Number 4. 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. From a young age, 𝐦𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 had a sweet vision of making a difference. He started baking cookies to help his family make ends meet and to buy his mom a car. But what began as a simple act of generosity blossomed into something much larger. Encouraged by his mother to keep baking and save for college, 𝐾𝐨 launched Mr. 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐫𝐞's Cookies. Today, this entrepreneurial teen is not only juggling his studies at Penn State University but also expanding his cookie empire. With a net worth hitting the $1 million mark, Mr. 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐫𝐞's Cookies has become a sensation, partnering with iconic brands like Macy's, Aetna, Whole Foods, and Pottery Barn. 𝐾𝐨's commitment to giving back is just as impressive, with his company generously supporting various nonprofits. From humble beginnings to a thriving business, 𝐾𝐨𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞's story is a testament to how determination and a sprinkle of passion can turn dreams into reality. Number 3. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. Meet 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞, the teenage sensation who transformed a childhood hobby into a booming enterprise. At the tender age of 9, 𝐬𝐮 noticed a glaring fashion gap: bow ties that lacked individuality. With his grandmother's support, he set out to craft bow ties that would express his distinctive style, giving rise to 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞's bows. His innovative creations soon captured the attention of major media giants such as Shark Tank, Good Morning America, and the Oprah magazine. Fast forward to today, and 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 stands tall with an impressive net worth of $2 million. His journey from a young dreamer to a business tycoon underscores a powerful message: with vision and perseverance, teens can truly revolutionize the world of business. Number 2. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞. In today's digital era, a smartphone can unlock the door to extraordinary entrepreneurial achievements, and 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 is a shining example of this phenomenon. Renowned for his hit YouTube channel, 𝐬𝐻𝐻 HD, 𝐬𝐻𝐻 has enchanted millions with his engaging toy reviews and exciting challenge videos, amassing a staggering 7 million subscribers. 𝐬𝐻𝐻's ascent began with humble beginnings, posting just one video each month. However, one viral hit propelled him and his father into the spotlight, transforming their lives. Now, 𝐬𝐻𝐻's net worth boasts a remarkable $1.5 million, reflecting his impressive blend of creativity and strategic thinking. What sets 𝐬𝐻𝐻 apart is his approach to wealth. Instead of indulging in luxuries, he wisely invests his earnings into savings and smart investments. This savvy financial strategy underscores that 𝐬𝐻𝐻 isn't just a digital star but also a sharp financial strategist. Number 1. Pierce Woodward. Pierce Woodward's rise to teenage millionaire status is a testament to the power of innovation and social media. What started as a passion for sharing standout photos on Instagram quickly evolved into a dynamic business venture when he switched to TikTok. From an early age, Pierce had an uncanny ability to spot lucrative opportunities. He set himself an audacious goal: to accumulate $100,000 before turning 18. Leveraging his rapidly expanding TikTok audience, Pierce turned an ordinary hobby into a lucrative business. He reinvented vintage spoons as chic rings, launching his unique brand, Brand Pierre. By the time he was 17, Pierce was earning an astounding $100,000 per month from his TikTok fame and flourishing brand. Today, with a net worth of $1.4 million, Pierce's story is a shining example of how creativity combined with savvy business skills can lead to extraordinary success. There you have it, amazing stories of teenage millionaires who've made a splash in the world of wealth before even reaching adulthood. Which story inspired you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content that will spark your ambition, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more success stories and life-changing insights.